Hello everyone, so welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about how to backup and restore a FortiGate firewall device. So dear, we have a FortiGate firewall device over here, and we will back up and restore the device. Okay, so first of all, let's go take the GUI access for the firewall. Okay, so how you can get the IP address by putting a command diagnose IP address list, and here this IP address is used to access the firewall. Okay, so when I put this IP address to my browser, so I got the GUI access. Okay, now let's provide the username and password that we have previously provided. Now the firewall is logged in. Now let's go to the firewall. Now here we got the interface there, or when you can take the backup of the firewall. Okay, so go to admin. Okay, system configuration, so you have to click on admin configuration and click over backup. Okay, so it is asking that which kind of backup you want to use, local or USB. So click on local itself, and there are two types of backup are there. Okay, so we will download both type of these. Okay, so first one is normal plain text configuration. Okay, another is encrypted encrypted backup actually. So you can download any of these. So encrypted backup cannot be seen actually, that is in MD5 format, and the normal backup, that is in plain text. So I will download both of these backup and show you. Okay, now first of all we will download the normal backup. Okay, so that is in plain text, so click on OK. So here it is asking me where you want to save the file. Okay, so let me save the file in my computer. Okay, let me save over here any random folder. Okay, the file name is FortiGate VM and so on. So let me save this. So we have downloaded the backup. Okay, so click on keep over here because it will not allow you to download directly. So we got this file. Here is the backup file. Okay, so when I want to open the file, so click on notepad just once. Okay, so here is the backup that is in plain text. Okay, that is configuration version. So everything you can see, all the permissions are there. So everything is available plain text format, you can see. Okay dear, but if you want the encrypted backup, so what you have to do, go to firewall again and click on encrypted. Once you click on encrypted, it will ask you a password, so put a password over here. So I have put up the password. Now it is asking me to download the file. Okay, so the backup is encrypted backup, so let me mention here encrypted. Okay, encrypted. So click on keep. So let me try to open the encrypted backup. Okay, so double click over here, click on text file, notepad. Okay, just once. So here the backup will be an encrypted format. So I can't able to read this backup. Okay, this is not readable. No configuration can be seen. Okay, now the question is that how to restore this backup. Okay, to restore the backup, let's go to the firewall. Okay, so click on admin configuration restore. So it is asking you local PC. So click on upload and go to the location where you have download that file and click on the backup, any backup. Okay, click on open. Okay, now if I will upload the encrypted backup, it is asking me the password. So put the password over here, admin. Okay, so click on OK. So that will be restored automatically after clicking OK. So it will take a few minutes to build the configuration in OS in case of FortiGate firewall. So system is rebooting now. We have to wait for a few minutes. So as we can see, the system is rebooted now. Okay. So put the username and password over here. Okay. Later. So okay. Here we got it. So we have restored the FortiGate firewall from the backup. Okay, dear. So that is all for today. And please subscribe the channel. And you can also download the notes if needed on our website techwithravish.com. Have a nice day.